Hello everyone, welcome to my Science 8 class. So last meeting we discussed all about asteroids, comets, and meteors. So today we are going to continue our discussion about the celestial bodies in which we can see in the solar system. So class, look at the pictures in this slide. I know you can simply describe how it looks like, right? Wow, simply it's amazing. Glowing object at night in the sky. Wow. So, these are the meteor shower. So at night time, we usually go out and look at the sky. So trying to visualize the beauty of the glowing stars, comets, asteroids, and meteors, right? And we also try to find out if there are falling star or the shooting star for us to simply wish. Because that is what we believe, that if there are falling star, then we can simply make a simple wishes. So today our learning objective is at the end of the lesson, you shall be able to explain the regular occurrence of meteor showers. So what causes meteor shower? So we have to find it out as we go through with our discussion. So please listen. So meteor showers occur when the Earth in its orbit around the Sun passes through debris left over from the disintegration of comets. So again, meteor shower usually came from the comets. So the Earth's orbit around the Sun is almost circular. So most comets travel in orbit that are highly elongated ellipses. So as a result, some comets have orbits and that intersect or partially overlap the Earth's path. Okay. So meteors are actually the trail of debris left behind by meteoroids entering the Earth's atmosphere. So they appear whenever a comet orbits bring them closer to the Earth. Okay? Okay. So still we are on what causes a meteor shower. So because a comet's nucleus is made up of a combination of icy materials and loosely consolidated dirt. So when a comet is heated by passing close to the sun, it more or less slowly disintegrates, so producing the visible tail. So the rocky debris, consisting of mostly sun-sized particles, continues in an elongated orbit around the sun, so close to that of its parent comet. So when the Earth intersects this orbit in its annual trip, it can run into this debris, so which burns up on entry into the Earth's atmosphere, so producing a visible shower of meteors. So you know that astronomers know exactly when a meteor shower will occur because the orbits of most known periodic comets have already been calculated. So at least one meteor shower occurs during every month of the year. So the more popular ones are those that occur around the month of April, which comes from comets. Okay. Okay. So meteor showers associated with particular comet orbits occur at about the same time each year, because it is at those points in the Earth's orbit that the collision occur. However, because some parts of the comet's path are richer in debris than the others, so the strength of a meteor shower may vary from one year to the next. So typically, a meteor shower will be strongest when the Earth crosses the comet's path shortly after the parent comet has passed. Okay, so this is how it is being illustrated in this picture or diagram. So this is where the meteor shower orbit the sun or the planets. Meteor shower is a celestial event in which a number of meteors are observed to radiate or originate. So from one point in the night sky, these meteors are caused by streams of cosmic debris called meteoroids. So entering the Earth's atmosphere at extremely high speed on parallel trajectories. Okay. So it is very clear in this picture. So most meteors are smaller than a grain of sand. So almost all of them disintegrate and never hit the Earth's surface. So very intense or unusual meteor showers are known as meteor outbursts and meteor storms, which produce at least 1,000 meteors an hour. So there are a lot of meteors produced in an hour. So most notably from the Leonids. Okay. So when bits of dust from asteroids and comets, so that is the meteoroids, hit the atmosphere, then they burn up brightly. Then if they burn up completely, now they are called the meteors. So, if remnants land on the Earth, they are now called the meteorites. Okay. So, where you can usually find them? In the thermosphere, that is around 80 to 100 kilometer high. Then, how big are they? So, they are just like small pebble down to grain of sand. How fast? So the speed is around 11 to 72 kilometer per second. So that is how fast they travel. How many? Quiet variable. Depends on a lot of factors, but they are really in numbers. Okay. So the Meteor Data Center lists over 900 suspected meteor showers, of which about 100 are well established. So several organizations point to viewing opportunities on the internet. So NASA maintains a daily map of active meteor shower, and they even posted dates when the occurrence of this meteor shower. So meteor showers occur when dust or particles from asteroids or comets enter the Earth's atmosphere at very high speed. So when they hit the atmosphere, meteors rub against air particles and create friction. So hitting the meteors, the heat vaporizes most meteors, creating what we call now the shooting stars. So a meteor showers occur when the Earth intersects a comet's path and moves through the stream of debris and dust emitted by the comet. So the meteors in a shower appear to originate from one area of the sky called the radiant. So the meteor shower is usually named after the constellation in which the radiant lies. Okay, so the key difference is that meteor showers occur when the Earth flows into the trail of particles left behind by a comet or asteroid. So it depends on where the trail of particles fall in a particular year. So meteor showers can be more or it can be less intense. So meteor showers occur only when the Earth's orbit intersects that of a specific comet, and those intersections occur at a fixed intervals. So the lineate meteors take place when the Earth intersects the orbit of comet 55P Tempel-Tuttle, and the perceived meteors happen when the Earth intersects the orbit of comet 109 P per sweep Tuttle. So it may be helpful to imagine all those diagrams we saw in science class of the solar system from above the plane of the planets. Okay, we have the major meteor showers. So we have the quadrantids, the lyrids, eta, aquarids, South Delta Occurrence, and the Perseids. So they have their uh, month schedule when they are to appear. And the Orionids, the moon, the Leonids, and they also have the moon. So the quadrantids, between January 3 or January 1 to 5, up to 100 meteor showers per hour. And for the Lyrids, usually April or April 16 to 25, that is around 10 to 20 per hour. Then you have the attack Aquarids on May 6 or April 18 to May 28, so usually 20 per hour. Then the South Delta, July 29 up to 20 per hour. Then the Perseids, August 12, so it starts from 10 p.m., then 10s per hour. So then you have the Orionids. It will come in between October 20 to 22, 20 to 25 meteor showers per hour. Then you have the Leonids. So it will come every November 14 to 21. So at minimum of 5 to 15 meteor showers per hour. Okay. So those are their appearances. So if you want to watch the major meteor showers, then try to record or to note the month. So this is how the Perseids looks like. Okay, so a lot of them. So this is what the constellations, no, they have shapes or pattern when you look up at dark night sky. So try to look at the pattern. So if you can simply find this pattern at night time, then you can even name this pattern. You have here the big diaper, the little diaper, the North Star, the Cepheus, Cassiopeia, the Perseid meteors, the Perseus. No, there are a lot of names. They have names. Patterns have names. So just try to be familiar with their faces. So it can be at the north side, So these are the way how you're going to observe meteor showers. Okay, so what you have to do is to look online or in astronomy magazines for you to find for the date sky charts, and also you have to find where the shower radiant is. So find a dark place where you can see the whole sky. So try to avoid the moon. Of course, when there is moon, then you cannot clearly see those shining and glowing stars. So you have to dress warmly because it is cold at night time. Then give yourself time for your eyes to get dark adapted. And you can stay long looking at the night sky. So you don't need binocular or telescopes, just your eyes. Get a chair, then you can sit or lie on the ground. So look about 30 degrees away from the shower radiant. So class, before I'll end our discussion, so I would like to tell you that there are many other meteor showers that are named after the constellation. So that marks the area of the sky where the meteor shower is expected to occur. So the next time you hear news of a meteor shower occurring, make sure to watch, and you can also invite your friends, family member, or even your parents to accompany you outdoors, and also to witness for them to witness the magnificent show in the sky. So in that way, you can really appreciate the wonder of the celestial bodies. The amazing glow that we see at night sky is very much memorable experience. So I hope you have gained something, you have gained knowledge about what are these celestial bodies. You have the meteors, the comets, the asteroids, and a lot of things. So that would be all. And if you have some questions, then you can just call me. You just can call me, or you can visit our e-learning site for the resources of the topic that we have discussed today and the previous one lessons. So thank you and have a blessed day ahead of us.